We made a homemade sledding hill. Plowed the whole yard. Plowed the whole yard and the trail. And put it in one pile. Didn't freeze as good as I was hoping. I tried to build the kids some steps, but that ought to work for a sledding hill. We'll come out here and ice this thing out. Come on, go down it. You can come this way, right here. Cameron, are you eating the snow?
No. His gloves came off.
Oh no, put your glove back on if they came off. It's cold out here.
You can't even get it on by yourself.
It'll be okay. Come on. You'll be sleeping good tonight after climbing that hill. Huh?
Yeah.
I don't like this rope around your neck.
What?
I didn't like the rope around your neck.
Yeah.
What's up, buddy?
Is it fine if you if Mac leaves today?
If he what?
Is it fine with you if Mac leaves today?
Oh, he's not leaving.
Well, last night he said he wants to leave.
Yeah, he probably don't. Was that fun? We need more snow and a front end loader so we can build a bigger one. What?
It bumped me.
Do what?
Every time I hit the bumps, it hit me. It's out.
Those are jumps you gotta hit. So what are we doing today?